You not tell me your time say I'm not supposed to dey buy butter again. Hello sweetie, welcome back to my channel. Today na the first time when they come across this channel you are watching Lady Big Kitchen. Thank you for stopping by. Today I dey so much excited to be sharing with us how to make butter at home. This time around you no need to buy butter anymore. One ingredient, your butter is ready. If you come happen to be one of us when it be say you get recipe to do with butter and it come happen say you no get that butter at hand, you come dey think how I go take make this my recipe now when I no get butter. My people, you no go bother anymore. This time around you go dey make your butter at home. Use and do any recipe when it is say you want make with your butter recipe. Be those things when I go dey need for this video now, my people. I go just dey need only one bowl. And again, my people, I hold one spoon for hand. Now this spoon I go take dey gather the butter in fade whisk am. Again now I come dey need my electric hand mixer. So this one now I go dey use. This one na the Amul fresh cream when I go dey use for this recipe. First thing when I go dey do is to turn all the cream inside the bowl.
Check it out.
Now when I don add all the cream inside the bowl, next to do is to whisk this cream until this cream go turn to butter. Yes my people, you go dey whisk am like this dey go until this cream wey you dey see so e go turn to butter. Any mixer when you get go let you make this recipe, my people. Even if say na blender now you get, you go use your blender take get this recipe done. And again my people, if you come happen say you like your butter to get that small salt taste, now this time you go take add your salt for inside this your butter. This mixing process, my people, you no get am 100% say na only your hand mixer you go take mix your. Use your blender to make this recipe and the outcome go dey nice. So if you get blender you no get hand mixer, use your blender to do this one and it go come out very good. And so e reach, my people. As I come dey whisk am, my people, e come be like say my kitchen come dey rough, so I no want am like that. Then I come use my foil paper take cover am like this. This one come make the work come dey more easy for me o. After mixing, my people, this one na the butter. We don get our butter, my people. So na so the thing reach o. So at this point now I go dey use my hand take gather everything together. Just take a good look at that. I go separate the milk. This one na the milk when I dey get for this recipe. I go separate am out from the butter. Now I go come dey stream the milk. This milk, my people, e dey useful if you come happen say you get any recipe when you go dey make with your milk. So this time you go dey use this milk take dey do the recipe. See the small milk wey we get. So wetin I go dey do na to turn the milk inside this my glass cup, then keep it aside. You can as well drink it raw if you care. You can as well make use of it for recipe. Next thing when we go dey do now na to add cold water. Water when e be say e cold well. E can as well be ice o. So na so we go add am for inside this butter, then use am take dey wash am, like clean it until all the milk get separate from the butter. This one dey important, my people. If you come want make e be say this your butter make it last well, as long as make you want am make it last reach, na e go make you clean am with cold water like this. So if you separate all the milk comot for the body of the butter, then it go make this your butter last well. So this one now do until all the milk go comot for the body of the butter. And again, my people, the more you take dey wash this your butter with cold water, the more the butter dey get strong. This one na the last time when I go dey whisk my own. At this point my own don ready like this, my people. Just take a good look at it. So now we go dey save the butter for this our plastic bowl. So you go dey save am, make e be say you no wan use am that moment, you go save am for future use. This one na the salvage paper when I take last time. E can't even be say I get am for mind say I go dey do my butter for house. I no come throw away this one last so my people. So now the paper now I go take dey save my own butter this time around. Wetin I go dey do na to add all the own butter for inside this paper. Then I go dey cover am. I go still take am keep for my fridge. This one go just dey last for 2 hours. Then after 2 hours I go dey back come out make we see how e be, my people. Say look at am now. Say make una dey look am. You don get your butter. Amul butter is ready. 2 hours later, my people, na so I take carry am come out from inside fridge. Na so e come be, my people. Make una look am now. So wetin come pass Amul butter again for here? You don get your Amul butter be that. So na so the thing reach you. After 2 hours, na so e reach. Then I go open am make I see how e. This butter, my people, I go still dey take you to some of the thing when I take my own dey do. See my butter, my people. After na don cut am, na so e reach. I go even use am take chop my bread though. Use am take enjoy your bread. I go still take am make better recipe. You know say me I like snacks well. I go use am take make my meat pie recipe, my people. E come happen say I come post one meat pie last time. They come dey ask me where the video. Now only the picture me show, my people, but I receive a lot of message. So my people, the full video dey here. Make we view how that meat pie take dey ready. So now the bread that take can dey chop, my people. You go use this your butter take chop anything when it say e enter your eye. Now so e reach, my people. Making this meat pie, my people, I go dey need my all-purpose flour. Now only 4 pieces of meat pie I go dey do for this video, my people, and that 4 pieces of meat pie it take me half kg of flour. Now I go dey add my butter. So I don let the butter dissolve well. Then I come add a little bit of salt. Then come add am some more sugar. Now I will come mix everything together. Just see my hand, see this butter, my people. This butter really do a good job, my people. I like how this meat pie take come out. It sweets me well. So the butter really do a good job for this recipe. After when I take mix everything together, then I will come add a little bit of egg mixture. I mix 2 eggs. Then I pour everything inside. I not add water mixing this my dough. I will just mix with only the egg mixture. Now when I don mix the dough, na so e reach. You go see say the dough don come together. You see how strong and nice this dough look, my people. So this one is dey important, my people. Mixing your meat pie dough, you no need to add am enough water when go make the dough dey soft. If e dey soft, e no good. Okay. Now I go dey make 4 pie for this recipe. Then I have my dough already divided. So I go cover am like this, make e rest for 25 minutes. Next thing we go dey do na to make the meat pie filling. So before that, my people, I come still dey use my butter. I go use and taste my filling recipe. So first of all, I come cut a little bit of it, then add it inside my pot. Let am to melt like this. You dey see am. So as e go melt like this finish, then I go come add in my chopped onions. Then let everything to fry with the butter. Now you dey see am say the butter don dey do work already. See am now. Oh God, look at your butter. You no need to buy butter anymore, my people. You no need to buy butter anymore. Just go shop, buy your cream. Go house, make your butter. Simple. You go dey use your butter. Dey go. Now when the onions don fry finish, my people, now so I take adding the beef when I go dey use for this video. Now just small beef I use because na only 4 pie I dey make. So I go just stir fry this beef to fry for 10 minutes. After that, I will come the season am with small ingredients when I take season am. Just add the maggi cube and salt. Na so the thing reach. Just a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of hot pepper. Then I'll come add in the maggi cube. Stir everything together, make everything get combined. Now I go add in chopped carrot and green pepper. Then I come add in corn flour, mix everything together. I come still add am small water when go let everything take cook for 10 minutes before I go turn off the heat.
Check it out. Check it
Now when we don cover our pie, na so the pie reach. So this one na the pie. After I cover am, I go transfer am inside my baking pan. Before that, I can still use the butter, my people. See say the butter dey do work now. Use am take rub all over the body for the pan, make it for let us take bake our pie well. So na so I take use am rub am. Then after that, now I go come arrange all the pie inside the baking pan. Out of the 2 eggs when I take mix this my dough, I leave a little bit of it aside. So now that one now I go take rub all over the body of the pie before I go to put am for my oven. After I do that one, my people, I come take my fork, take give am that 3-dot sign when e be say if you dey see am for meat pie, e go make your meat pie take dey enter your eye well. And again, e go still make your meat pie cook a lot. So this one na the meat pie after when we don bake am, my people. Now we don come to the end of this video, my people. If this our butter do good job, my people, make una let me know for the comment section. And if you get another thing wey you go take make your butter when I not show for my own, make you use and take make your butter. Any recipe when you say they make with butter, just your homemade butter go let you make am, my people. It dey very easy to make your butter at home. Make I dey see una for my next video. Bye bye.